Hello everyone, and welcome to another highlight lighting tutorial. So today we're going to talk to you about our two-way power distributor, which can be used in conjunction with our highline non-stripped wire connectors to allow for extended cabling. Now the two-way power distributor has an operating voltage of 12 to 36 volts DC and can handle a total current of 6 amps. The wire terminal connectors on the other hand have the same voltage but can handle a total current of 9 amps. And also, to ensure correct wiring, please take note of the correct polarity on the connector. Now the connector is fairly easy to use. All you will need to do is to slide the two core cables through the holes in the connector, then grab a set of pliers to ensure that the connector has made full contact with the core cables. Now the connectors can be used on their own, so you can just clip the back of the connectors against each other and you will be able to extend your power supply. Alternatively, if you want to distribute your power supply, you can make use of the two-way power distributor. Don't forget to click on the like button if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you want more information, you can visit our website highlightlighting.co.uk and follow us on our Twitter and Instagram page to remain up to date with latest news. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.